I mean, I just find it a shame that a film is often judged on being good or not based on its opening weekend. And I think that this film has got legs. I think Edge of Tomorrow has legs, and I think it's had a life, you know.
Have legs. If an idea, story, or activity has legs, it is likely to continue or succeed. To continue to exist and be successful. Examples.
Short, that stock is useless. It's got no legs. It's like a circus freak minus the fun. And that one's even worse. Who's giving you these?
I told you, I've got a better story for you. 2 major female celebrities in a secret same-sex relationship.
Those kind of stories don't have legs like they used to.
I can assure you, this story is going to be a big win for you. These are big names.
But do you think it's got legs here?
Several.
How did it play with the focus groups?
She loves it.
Sorry?
They love it. They absolutely love it. No, you got 94% approve, stroke strongly approve rating. It's enormous.
Why did you say she?
I don't know.
Those kind of stories don't have legs like they used to.
I think Edge of Tomorrow has legs, and I think it's had a life, you know. And a lot of films might have done better on an opening weekend, but they haven't had the same life.